There is a set of things about your home that only one person actually knows. Which way the water valve turns, what the dog eats, and when. Which noises the furnace makes on purpose. It works perfectly, right up until that person is on a plane, or in a hospital, or standing in the dark looking for a flashlight. This is a Printables pack, so let us be plain about what that means. There is no app here, no spreadsheet, and nothing to log into. 63 pages across 8 PDFs, and at the heart of them, 8 forms you print, fill in with a pen, and put somewhere a person can actually read them. The 8 forms are the heart of it. Emergency contacts with 911, poison control and the crisis line already printed on, a shutoff and breaker map, a house sitter sheet, cards for pets, for medical and allergy information, and for where the family meets, a home systems reference, and your utilities and providers. Here's the part most home printables leave out. Every single form comes shown, filled in, across 13 pages for an invented household. Because the hard part was never the form. It is knowing that basement is not actually where your water shutoff is, and that peanut allergy does not tell a babysitter what to do. The shutoff map is the page nobody else has done for you. Sketch the plan once, number each valve where it actually sits, and write down what it is, which way it turns, and the tool it takes. On the day it matters, nobody is hunting through a basement with a phone flashlight. And there is a whole guide to finding them. 14 systems: the main water valve, the curb stop, the gas meter, the breaker panel, the water heater, the furnace switch, the sump pump, the sewer cleanout, where each one hides, how to recognize it, and the cautions that genuinely matter. There are 12 cards too, already laid out for cutting. 8 wallet cards to a sheet, 3.5 by 2 inches for backpacks and glove boxes, 4 half-page cards for the fridge door, and the 2 files you actually print come in US letter and A4 both, laid out for the sheet rather than scaled to it. All of it is built on a single rule: record where things are and how the home runs, never the passwords or the codes. Every page here is meant to be visible, so none of them ask for an alarm code, a Wi-Fi password, or a full account number. That is exactly what makes them safe to post. A page on the fridge works when the battery is dead, when there is no signal, and when a subscription has lapsed. A neighbor can read it without being invited to an account. That is the whole idea. The Home Emergency and If I'm Away Printables pack from Ardent Workshop. Links are below.